Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Charles Schwab Brokerage. Okay, so right here, you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just type out schwab.com/brokerage. After that, just click on the open an account option at the top right of your screen. So right here, you have the popular investment account. So you just have to choose your account. So what we're going to do in this video is we are going to make a review. Okay. So as you can see right here, using the Charles Schwab brokerage, you can easily use and manage your brokerage account with the Schwab support. So buy and sell, you can trade stocks, options, bonds, mutual funds, ATFs, and other financial products. Research and plan, you can get online tools to screen and evaluate investments, develop a plan, and more. And you can also manage with ease. So use the Schwab.com and Schwab mobile app to conveniently manage your brokerage account and get 24/7 plus convenience of 300 plus branches. So call the financial professionals anytime. Plus, you can get local support at a branch near you. Here, $0 online equity trades reflects the commitment to make investing accessible to anyone. So for the listed stocks, online commission, $0 for the options, online commission plus 0.65 per contract, and $0 for listed ATFs, online commission. So you can see all the prices and rates right here. And it's specialized trading platforms and support too. So we have powerful trading platforms, trading education, and training specialists. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.